Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah amma ba'du. Okay, as Muslim generation, let's thank to Allah Subhanahu wa taala, the master of judgment day, who has granted us until we are able to come together in this weekend teach talk. Salawat and salam always be given to us our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has saved his community and society for the darkness to the likeness, from immortal to moral society, and from Jahiliyah era to Islamiyah era, uh, namely Islamic religion to true religion in the world and hereafter. Okay, hello everyone, I'm Dhafa Alvaro, and welcome back to Identity. So, on in this weekend talk, so we have an interesting project called Talk to Me app. So we'll be talked by my friend brother Al Fathi. Assalamualaikum Al Fathi.
Waalaikumsalam Dhafa. How are you today?
Nah, I'm fine. Nah, so Al
Yes.
Fathi, can you tell me about the what is Talk to Me project?
So, can I share screen sharing? I'm so sorry.
Yeah, okay, okay, you can.
Okay. Maybe I will expand it first. So simply, Talk to Me application is like application we made with Kodular at the maybe the seven project in ADN in nine class. Yes, in nine class. So in this project, simply is talking about we convert our sound, our speech to the text, and also we can copy it and pass to the other platform like that. Simply,
Okay. Uh,
what
can you? Can I see the demo?
the demo. All right, I think my BlueStack is still rendering.
Okay, okay.
Right, all right. Right, guys. Nah, are you look at my screen?
Yeah, I
Okay,
see,
for
I
the
see.
audience, look at my screen. Like you see
Uh,
now in my BlueStack app players, I already opened I mean, talk to app application. So in the first page, okay, let's make it vertical first, and it's scan. Okay, it's scan. So this is the main page or the splash page in this application. There's was a Lottie animation and of course the button who will start. We'll click. Right, let's just click it. And of course because it's very too long to learn. Nah, wait a minute. Now that's the up to me talk to me application that I said before. So simply it's like you can talking with your you can use your sound or speech and it will be convert to the text or because if you are use a BlueStack you can maybe click it write it
uh,
your text.
I'm sorry, Fatih. Your share screen is freeze, I think.
Yes, I know that because I think my Wi-Fi is very low, but in my screen it's already opened. As
Okay,
you know,
okay.
it in Wi-Fi, guys. Right, just waiting.
Okay, okay. Eh,
So maybe we can talking some empty conversation or about your school, Dhafa, just for writing this application to render.
okay, okay.
So where are you from, Dhafa?
I'm from Bekasi.
Oh, you're from Bekasi, right?
Yeah, North.
What is that? The exactly place you live, the place
Taman
you live.
Ismasri. Dah.
Just say the address or something like that to
No,
the
no.
region. Yeah, just to the region. Just say it.
I was a Muslim, bro.
All right.
Dan. Here's a screen.
Right. It's done. Right. You can actually write down what kind of text you want to make it to sound, to convert to the sound, or you can copy it first. And because I'm using BlueStack, and as you know, BlueStack is cannot record it any voice or any sound, so I cannot demo all of the features in BlueStack. Like as you know, as you see in this button, you can record it, but it's lagging. So uh, that's why I've never used BlueStack. Like maybe we can start I mean the tutorial videos, Dhafa.
Yeah, you
What
can.
do you think? Okay,
Yeah.
we started right.
Okay.
Right. So firstly, just use wherever is that. I mean, like Google
Wait.
search engines.
Your research screen is.
Press.
Yeah.
That's why I've never used SMP9 Wi-Fi ID. Done with it, Dapat? It's like connection problem. Nah, like you see in my, you can use any search engine like Google, Firefox, or something like that. Just search Kodular, and yeah, click it the first page. Okay, okay, let's continue our tutorial. So, firstly, just click the website, the Kodular website. This, or maybe yeah. If you already login, this is the login. This is the page. If you already login in Kodular, maybe you can use your account. It has a login in Kodular. Just for example, let's use this. So yeah, like you see in my screen, there was Google search engine, and also you can use any single of search engine do you want. Just search Kodular and click it in the first like it in the first page. I mean the first website you found. Okay, I think Kodular is doesn't need any login or sign up. We just open it in the website and yeah, we can create the apps. It will be render. I mean, open the new tabs, and also you can pause the first tab just for make sure you are not lagging or like now. And of course, like I said before, I never use 9 SMP ID in my Wi-Fi. Ah, okay, I forget. I must sign in first. And if you want to going faster or sign in more faster, just use this as a Google login. It will be more faster than you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Authorize, click authorize. Oh yeah, by the way, for all of the audience, if you want to chat or asking something, just asking in the commenter, right? It's okay. If you have a problem with your controller or bug in your application, just tell me. I will fix it. Inshallah. And yeah, maybe if you are boring, you can read it all of this long sentence. But because I'm so lazy, just click accept. Let's click let's go. Okay, because there's no project, because I already log in. I mean, it's my first time login into Kodular in this account in Otak IT IDN. Okay, I'm to be joking in this streaming. I know that's not funny, but whatever is that. Just create a new project and name your project like called. Yes, and also I forget because if you want to name a project, you must use underscore and do not use space like this and also like this perfectly. Do not use space for create your new project or name like a name for your project. Just use underscore. Next, and now this is for the name app. You can use any single word you want. Uh, and also you can use space for this time you can use space. For the times is you can use anything you want. Just fine, just choose, it's your decision. And for the Android, I mean the version of Android SDK file level, just use the newest one. The newest one like APA 21. Yes, 21. All right. The package name is little bit. You can use your name or your company and use dot or yes dot dot like this. And for the primary color or primary color dark or accent color, oh I know. Just find out your hobby. I mean your favorite color. Is doesn't matter. If you choose is black or something like that, it doesn't matter. At least it doesn't affect to your project. Okay, as you heard now, my accent is very bad. What the news in Kodular? Get the most Kodular upgrade to the Kodular Premium. Ah, never mind. This is the first page. I mean, the dashboard page of Kodular, and this in this page we will make the application we need. So the first, we must change the Google Pixel 3 to the Samsung Galaxy S9. Okay, like this. And the first, we must make the splash screen like you see in my uh, presentation in the this stock. Must make the splash screen. Yeah, for the animation, you can get it in the Lottie file. Lottie files. This just search on your search engine, click enter, and yeah, that's fine. Just click the Lottie files, download free Lottie animation, integration, and blah blah blah. Yeah, we don't need any login or sync up for this website because I don't care. Just search any single animation you want, like maybe a robot. We need a robot. It hurt my keyboard sound, right? It's a little bit loud. If that's a little bit disturbing you for focusing in this project, I'm so sorry because I could not uh, make it silent. Okay, just find your favorite animation in these Lottie files, and in my opinion, this is the good one. And for this, just okay, this clicks, and there was any description. And in this page, we can find any description for the project, and I mean the animation, like the color, and also you can customize the background color or animation speech like this. And yeah, why not? Because green is the color of this project. I never gonna change the colors. Now this, if you want to change the color, just background color, animation speed, and yeah, like that color pattern. That. And if you want to download it, just download in this button and download as Lottie JS on, GS on, GS on, wherever is that. Before you download, create an icon on the free animation and expand the full power of Lottie files. Okay. Actually, I'm so sorry. That's my bad. We must log in first before we download it. Yeah, if you want to go faster, just choose login and click the button, namely Google. Namely Google. And choose this. It can be auto login. Yes, that's what we can cite. One small thing, this will help you tailor your experience better. How do you best benefit you? Just choose maybe designer. Let's go. Nah, done with it. Very simple, right? Just find the robot animation and then download it as a JSON. It will be download or it will be adding to your file explorer. Till then, we must wait a minute. Let's see the example. An application runtime error not activity handle limit. That's why I'm had Kodular. I mean, BlueStack so much. This maybe we can use a space as long I need. Because for me, in my opinions, Kodular is not simple anymore. If you want to use the most simple, oh yeah, I forget. We must uh, delete it or cancel delete it. Show option menu. I mean, some show at status bar. Just click the checklist. It will be gone because it makes a little bit aesthetic. And yeah, make the screen. I mean, the like horizontal is the center and top, and for the like vertical, it will be top like this. And you can customize the height, or in Indonesian you can say tinggi, and wide in Indonesian you can say lebar. Just change the height like maybe 10%. Okay, now maybe 40% like this. So, until then, just search the Lottie files, Lottie, nah, this Lottie extension. So the Kodular is already adding to his, it's one of the his feature Lottie files. Animation. Also for the weight, you can customize. For the weight, you can customize like maybe. Um, why Dhafa? Why you are so silent, Dhafa? What are you open at? Just talking wherever you
I'm in the
want.
house.
Yes, I know you're just talking wherever you want.
Okay, okay.
You can maybe like reaction my videos or something like that. But for the creator, what do you think? I mean, for the project.
Yeah, I think it's good. So, uh, if you add some translate, maybe this applicant may be so useful, as you
Oh,
know.
so you want to adding some translate, right? And in Kodular is actually Kodular is already one translate engines, namely Yandex Translate. But the main problem is we must use API key. And as you know, if you want to use API key in Yandex Translate, you must pay. Yes, it's not free. It's not a free application. I mean platform. You can use
Hmm.
there by you can use it if you want to pay to the Yandex Translate. And I don't
So,
want to give a tutorial with a pays issues. Yes, pay issues, issue, pay issue. Like that. So we don't need any Yandex Translate for that. Okay, that's continuous. So the way we just maybe 5 pixel. My bad. And percent. It's perfect, Dhafa. What do you think about the lottery files?
wait.
Or you have any opinions like the for the height or for the width?
Maybe the heck you change to 20, 20.
Twenty
Yeah,
percent, right?
yeah.
All right, 20%. We did, and the last, we just adding some text. Oh yeah, I forget space first. Space is everything in Kodular. If you use Tangible, you don't need any space for that. For making the application, you don't need any freaking space. You just like Canva and a Canva Figma. I mean, just like drag and drop, and then your application is done. For the weight, it's just maybe 10 px. So like this, and then find out the label. Oh yeah, in in Lottie, we have two different ways to adding the animation to the application we built to make. The first animation, oh yeah, the first we can adding with source feature like we already download the robot.json, right? Okay, just upload file and drag and drop. Don't fit me, right? Okay, like that. And then yeah, just find the animation robot.json like this. Or the second way, you can use the code, but it's little bit, it's not as simple. So we just use this feature. Okay, for the text, we continues. For the text, just change text to talk to me application. Oh yeah, I forget. The title is, if you want to change the text or the title of your application, just use any text like talk to MIDI or something like that. But this time I will use talk to text. Talk to me. Yeah. I forget that. Thank you for correcting me. Talk to me. Done with it. Also for the text alignment, just change it to the center like this. It'll be gonna uh just to the center. Gonna drag to the center. Maybe for the height is done until then. Wait, let me see the all right. I just want to make sure this is great application that I made. So you can add some for decoration. Okay, this is optional for you. You can add that, or you can do not add that. It's your decision. The horizontal
Pati. So why you not add button?
button. Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
why
for
label?
button. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
button,
I
button.
forget. The text name is button. It's functional is for button. Right. Thank you for correcting me, Dhafa.
Yeah.
Also, you can use so for making the button, you can use two different way. Like I said before, you can use my way, like adding a text or horizontal arrangement like that. Or if you want to make it simple, just use button. My bad, my bad. Very good, Dhafa, very good,
Chill.
very good. Not bad, not bad. You must try it maybe in the next weeks for being a trainer like me, Dhafa. You must have an experience like me to be a speaker like me. I hope. So just change the text like talk to me application. So let me explain why this Kodular website is very low. I mean low connection. No, not a low connection, but low writing. If you writing like this, it's very not fast anymore because it's already connected to the application. I mean BlueStack. Yes, it's already connected. So if you want to edit this creator for the creator, it will be changed directly the application that we made that we already downloaded in the BlueStack. That's why. Talk to me. Why? Nah, like that. And also you can try and change the background color. Just search for the green color because the animation is already green, light green, normal green lah, like this, and a little bit dark. Because the color is white, I mean the text is white, we can use I mean the black green. Just make sure the text is can see, it appears in your application. Because if you use the light green, it will be like invisible in your application, so the user is cannot see your button. So yeah, why is so lagging? Then I thinking, oh my goodness, that's the reason why I'm had Kodular so much. And wow, I bet again. I forget I don't need any green screen, man. Come on. Okay, try to the white screen again because that's my bad, my mistake. Come on. That's just change to the white screen. I just mean to change the color of talk to me background. Okay, so if your Kodular creator is lagging like this, I have some ways to fix it. Like just refresh your website, and it will be back to the dashboard screen, and click it again. It's like a refresh. It will be refresh your. So yeah, the application or the feature we already drag and drop in this application or in this Samsung Galaxy. It's already it doesn't erase background color, please. I hope it's work. I hope so. Okay, just set now like this that I need. For the font size, maybe we can use the biggest. I don't know, not the biggest. Just make it a little bit bigger, like maybe 20. Like this. Just make sure the alt parent is doesn't see your button. So let's start to the code. So uh wait a minute. So Dafa, can you ask me some question or something like that? Just make sure you are active in this streaming, Dafa. Maybe you can adding some correction to my stream
Uh, later.
later. Okay, at
I
the end,
still
right?
confused
At the
that.
end. All right, at the end. So let's start to the counter. Screen, you know what? It's still lagging. Oh, I forget. Don't use control, just use screen. When the screen initials, how to say that? Initials. Like this, just choose when screen one initials, tilers, initials. Yeah, use this. On the screen initials, go to the lottie, and then, oh my goodness, it's so lagging. Just fine, just drag and drop the car lottie one, start animation. Oh my god. Oh, when start when start click is for the button. Find the button. When button one click. So for me it's like scratch. Yes, it's very same system like scratch. Drag
Drag
and
and
drop
drop like
upload
yeah.
one and open in this next we might maybe we can make the second screen first because if we don't it cannot be added. I mean the just make another screen. Maybe you can copy screen and just make it just name main screen. Okay. Come on, why Kodular is very lag? Do you have any reason, Dava? I mean, any opinion about
Maybe
Kodular
our connection
connection?
like
Main dot a dot underscore or underlines. Underlines. This underlines main page. Copy. It will be copied by himself. And it is okay. Maybe we continues to the first page. I mean, let's name that this page is as the splash screen. Just name this. Just rename. Okay, wait. Click the screen one. Come on, come on. Oh my goodness, it's very lag. My God. Okay, because it's very lag and cannot be click. Let's start continues to our programs. When the button one click, screen, sorry, control I mean, open another screen name, screen main page. Change to main page. And yeah, for the first screen or splash screen is done like this, just like this. But if you wanted to try the second way for adding the lottie files, just use this. When screen one initialize. So we must delete this one. When screen one initialize, just go to the lottie files. I just want to show you the second screen. If the Lottie files or Lottie animation is doesn't appear or doesn't running, if you use Kodular, if you use BlueStack or Kodular companions, yes, you can download Kodular companions in your phone in Play Store exactly. Just use start not start animation image what set Lottie. Nah, this set Lottie file source to blah blah blah. And for the blah 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 page, for the blah 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 blocks, we can what name is that? We can try to text like this and find the empty text like this. Just yes, empty text and add it to this block. And for this way, we can use any if you want to if you are lazy to download the animation or your storage is full, you can use the Lottie animation URL like this. Just copy. This is just the second way. I mean, yes, the second way. So yeah, done for the screen one animation, splash screen exactly. So let's continue to the second screen. So we will start the appearance of our main screen. Customize the appearance main page. So just remove all of this. We will make from the first step. So just delete all of the feature we already add. Click delete. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want to delete your uh, feature or palettes, yes, palette, like this. Just click delete, choose the palettes, yeah, and click delete palettes, click delete. So the first thing is same like uh, first page. We must find out the space, and for the space is just maybe 1 px, 1 pixel, 1 px is, and then just adding one and on one px. I mean, it's too small. I cannot see that. Maybe 20, 20 px is too big. It's 10 px. Perfect. So find out the Lottie palette. Yeah, never mind. Find out Lottie font. Okay, perfect. So same as the latest screen, we use it's your decision to use the first way, like using source code as source files, or you can use the code or link. Yes, link you can find the slot animation URL. Okay, for the maybe it's perfect for the animation. And also just in fact, Lottie files is can add it to the our Elementor or website is for website development Elementor. And then Wait a minute. So yeah, we add one more space.
Chill, chill.
And Dhafa, can you still hear my keyboard sounds? Keyboard sounds. I mean, in the
Yeah,
background
yeah, yeah, yeah.
space. I don't know. Adding one more space. And this is for logo, or so the animation is just for logo, and this is for the name. So for the height, it's perfect. Okay, maybe 20 versus 20 pairs. Okay, perfect. And then is for the name. This is text. Oh, label. Yes. Not a Figma, Fathi. It's not a Figma. Text is same like label. Nah, perfect. Come on, come on. Ah, one more. Sure with that? Oh my god. Okay. And change the text names. The default is text for level one. You should change to talk to me. One way. Oh my god. Sir, it's very lagging, sir. I mean, the Kodular is very lagging, and it's too slow. Okay, continues. I hope the
Uh,
audience is very sabar for waiting the Kodular is rendering. Yeah, wherever is that? So, what kind of way do you choose for fix it the lagging issue in Kodular Dhafa? You have any ways to fix the Kodular lagging issue? Just talk to the audience if you have any ways, simple way.
I don't know.
I don't
Maybe
know.
you can like drag and drop the search don't like you type don't type because maybe like
So,
like you just search like go to layout and drag space like that. I think
go to live
not
out.
like search on palette.
Oh, you mean like copying the text and paste or something like, or what?
Don't search on palette.
Don't search on palette.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
just scroll it, right?
yeah, I just scroll it.
It's
Maybe
same, man. Like, let me give you an example. Yeah. Oh my god. Damn, man. Damn. Nah, it's same. It's lagging. And for me, it's very slow. Then we start to find or search in the palettes. Anyways, I mean, to fix the lagging in Kodular Dhafa, or you didn't
I
have
don't
any
know.
ways.
I don't know.
Alright. Same like me. Okay. Continues. Wow. This alignment just change to center, center, and for the text, come on, come on, font size. I mean, just change to eh 20, 20, 20. Done. Perfect. And yeah, for fixing this, I mean the word is up down or getting down. Just change the width or lebar to fill pattern. Nah, yeah, I like this. So the next we can adding some, what the name is that? I forget. Load the file, done with that. Special copy label, the big label. Stay sabar audience, please stay sabar. Come on, man, come on, come on. So the reason why it is, well, Kodular is for what the fuck? So the reason why Kodular is very like, why I adding one more label? I say label. I mean, I'm sure with that. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. So the reason why Kodular is lagging like this is very simple. The
Because
Kodular doesn't
streaming.
have a good server, so they can make it more faster, like Rectangle. Rectangle. Yeah, you can use space and speed button. Horizontal arrangement. Horizon. So what do you think, guys? In you, for the audience, are you lagging or not? You sound like me or not?
I think like
All right. I hope so. Because it will be very boring if you watch the lagging streaming creating an application with Kodular is very boring. And if your Wi-Fi, yes, for audience, yeah, is faster than me, oh, it's very good to be boring. Yeah, just adding one more space for giving arrangement. Yes, arrangement between talk to me for the text and the horizontal space. Okay, okay, well played. Okay, maybe next time we can change the streaming to the maybe Android. How to make a bit dark coin with Android or something like that. Please don't use Kodular. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. You sure that? Okay, because I'm not sabar, yeah. So let's refresh again. It's the second time. I hope for the Kodular creator, I hope you fix it. Mm, main page. Done with it. For the height, we change to maybe 20, I know 20, yes, 10 pixel. And for the horizontal arrangement, I like horizontal is left, I like horizontal vertical is middle, center. That's it. And for the height, we can change to 20%. If this way, for the width, I mean, it's maybe 60, 70%. Yes, please. All right. Add one more. 90%. For the height, just make it small. You see the example in my stock. It's very big. I don't follow that because I had the biggest horizontal arrangement. It doesn't aesthetic for me. For the height, just give it 10%. Okay, like this. Then okay. Space horizontal arrangement, record button and speak button. So we must make the record button and the speak button. Just use maybe button, of course. Space first. Yeah. A quote from me: never always using space in Kodular. Yes, that's a quote from me. As so, so my name is Fathi, and the quote for today is always using space in Kodular. Oh yeah, by the way, I doesn't introduce myself to the audience. Yeah, you can see in my name between in the under the videos. My name is Fathi Ahyan, and I'm from 9A, same like Dhafa. That's right, Dhafa.
Yeah.
So why you don't asking for the name or introducing myself first? You forget it?
Yeah, I think.
Very good, host. Right, let's try it again. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, never mind. Just search for the button. Okay. For the button. Yeah, maybe we can make it uh, in Figma, Canva, or something like that. But the most simply is just use Google button PNG. Perfect. Okay, there's no the good one. So I will use the simple way for adding the button. We use file manager.
Okay, Fatih, why you not use my component? Yeah,
Yes,
when I already give you.
your component in the Google Drive. Google
Yeah.
Drive. I mean the this is right file first. Now that's your component Dhafa. You see it?
Yeah.
So by the way, where do you make it?
I make it on Figma. Yeah, I make it
Figma.
Figma.
And for the icon, do you make by yourself or taking from Iconify or any platform for the logos? I mean, and logos.
The for the
Yes.
speech logo, speech button is I take from Iconify.
Okay. But all of them of your logo is made by yourself.
Yeah.
All right. let's adding record logo because I'm too lazy, and also the Lustak is lagging, and the Kodular is lagging. Okay, button, drag and drop. So let's us see the example first. Start. Nah, this is so we make this button. And also the most useful things, I mean feature in this application is copy it. Copying feature. Let's make this button. So button, and we don't need any text for the button. We use logo or icon. Just searched on the come on, come on, background image now. Come on, man. Oh my goodness. Okay, nah, this just choose image is none, and first you must upload it for, yeah, you must upload it from your file manager. If you already make it, if you already, and if you're lazy like me, just like search on Google, maybe record button png. Record button png. Nah, like this, search. Nah, like this. Maybe you can use this and add and remove the background using remove background. Just for example, you wanna to adding under icon, this remove background, and you can also remove the background in this upload image, and then done with it. Okay, let's continue again. Nah, done with uploading. Come on, man. Come on. Nah, that's so for the button one. We give a name. Maybe record button. Okay. Underlines button. Or the reason why we must rename the component, it's just maybe it will be make more easier to our to start the code. I mean to adding the code in your blocks. So we can find the button, the record button more easier. But if you're just name make just give a name button one or button two, button three, like that, it will be more harder to find the buttons like that. Record underlines button. And also after your name, give a name to your button, upload the image. Click none, image, and record PNG. And yeah, if you see, this is little bit bad. Just change the width. Now for the text, you can delete it all of the text in record button. Text for button one. Yes, like this. Boom. Okay. And we must edit the. Oh yeah, space first. Space number one. Okay, maybe you. Okay. And drag to the left, left or right, whatever is that. Okay, can. I think we must adding horizontal arrangement for this. Yes. we must adding horizontal arrangements because this can. Dhafa, what are you looking at, Dhafa? You are so silent, Dhafa. Yes. Oh my goodness. So we must add the button to the horizontal arrangement. Oh my god, my bell is like this. So let's change the horizontal arrangement. So the horizontal arrangement. So let me explain it first. So the horizontal arrangement, it will be the parents of record button because we already added to the in the horizontal arrangement like that. Come on. As you know, Kodular. Maybe for the next week, for the next year, we can use Tangible for that for our application project. What do you think, Dafa? You agree with
Agree with
that?
that.
Maybe you can use Tangible platform for change. I mean, for change the Kodular
Yeah, maybe it's
information.
more easier.
Yes, it's more easier, more, and it's also free. Like, yes, it's free,
It
right?
just yeah,
You can
but just we must to pay for what for more
access.
access. Yeah, for more
Yeah.
access.
Oh my goodness. Come on. Wait, wait. Automatic and for the width, we just fill parents. Untuk lebar kita, we change to fill parents. Okay, so it will be like the name, fill all of the parents, and change the like horizontal to the middle, or can't, or in the on the name color is center. That's the name center. Center, come on. Ah, found it. Okay, I will keep silent my mouth for this. That is okay. Let's edit space where the we already added in the horizontal arrangement like this. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! And also, I forget we must change the like vertical to the center to like this. And for the width of the space. Oh my god, seriously, I wanna cry, man. Cause the followers for lagi, I wanna angry or cry. Keep sabar. So for width, we will change maybe 10%. Yeah, I don't want to waste my voice right now. Okay, let's pick up Sarah. Refreshing again. And then, yeah, continues. Continues. Go to the second screen, main page. We continue again, change the width of the space, and then maybe 5%. Okay, never mind. Find out the button. Go to the right. Yes, to the right of the voice record sound record button. So sorry, and remove and erase the text for button one. Just make sure you are not text this button. For image, same like letters we add from our
Wait, Fatih. Can you scroll the component?
scroll the component.
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Any correction, my brother? All right, my brother. What the fuck? Yeah. What the fuck?
Still, still loading in me. Freeze.
Maybe you can see in the YouTube. It's still loading or not? Just open the YouTube.
Same.
Sam.
Yeah, same.
Oh, coba. Try. I will try. I will try. It's like no in the YouTube.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter you.
Same. Uh,
Sam.
wait. We go to you.
Okay, we continue. Never mind.
Oh yeah. Okay.
What?
Okay, Fatih, continue.
Continue. Okay.
Yeah,
We're
continue.
taking the image from our file manager. Take the delete image, and also you can find out in Google Trans in Google. Just maybe cancel button image, like that. But because I'm too lazy, I use the delete PNG. Change the none delete PNG. Delete PNG. Perfect. And then for the last button, space again. Change the width to maybe 3%. This change to change to 3%. Button again. Or maybe you can oh yeah, just for information, you can also duplicate these things like this. It will be more simply, I think. It's more simply and change the same like the button change to speech. So the speech button is gonna be convert. It will be convert your sound and your text to the sound like that. Okay, change the record PNG to the speech PNG. Okay, that maybe. Oh yeah, for the copying button. Okay, we must also we can search button. We can duplicate. Oh, ada. Okay, also duplicate and drag to the maybe on the down on the so for the appearance my application to the example is a little bit different. It will be a little bit different. And for the width and height, we change to maybe 5%. And the width, same. So if you want to change the height and width without, yes, you must also, if you change the height, you can also you must change the width too because it will be effect for effect to your to your application in the time in the when we did boost up 5%. We can okay if you see in the creator or the just creator page like this, so the way to fix it is very simple. Just use horizontal. Horizontal attachment just for make sure your button is fill the parents. So it can not like this. It will be not like this. That will be not like this. Okay. What is that?
What happened, Fatih? What happened, Fatih?
Same problem. Lagging. 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 Very lagging. Dhafa. So we must change the all like horizontal and and vertical to the top, to the middle. I mean center. God. So the Kodular operator is doesn't matter with your Wi-Fi connection. If like you see now, my Wi-Fi is very fast. Speed test. Okay, we'll try. Now my Wi-Fi is very fast. Yeah, very fast. So the main point we can get from this problem is doesn't matter how fast your Wi-Fi connection. It will be the same if you use Kodular. It's very fast. Okay, never mind. Come on, come on, come on. Set that.
Uh, okay, okay, guys. So maybe just stop from this because Asar has Asar. So that's for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Part 2.